Acid rain. Precipitation comes as rain. Or, as sleet.
Maybe hail.
And, as snow. Today the air around us, dusty, polluted, full of impure substances, resulting, acid rains.
What is acid rain?
Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high concentrations of nitric and sulfuric acids.
How does acid rain form?
It is easily defined as rain, fog, sleet, or snow that has been made acidic by pollutants in the air, as a result of fossil fuel and industrial combustions that mostly emits nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. Acidity is determined on the basis of the pH level of the water droplets.
Normal rainwater is slightly acidic with a pH range of 5.3 to 6.0, because carbon dioxide and water present in the air react together to form carbonic acid, which is a weak acid.
When these gases react with water molecules and oxygen among other chemicals found in the atmosphere, mild acidic chemical compounds such as sulfuric and nitric acid are formed, resulting to acid rain. Acid rain generally leads to weathering of buildings, corrosion of metals, and peeling of paints on surfaces. Erupting volcanoes contain some chemicals that can cause acid rain. Apart from this, the burning of fossil fuels, the running of factories and automobiles due to human activities are a few other reasons behind this. Forms of acid rain. There are two forms in which acid deposition occurs, wet and dry. Wet deposition. When the wind blows the acidic chemicals in the air to the areas where the weather is wet, the acids fall to the ground in the form of rain, sleet, fog, snow, or mist. It removes acid from the atmosphere and deposits them on the Earth's surface. When this acid flows through the ground, it affects a large number of plants, animals, and aquatic life. The water from drain flows into rivers and canals, which is then mixed up with seawater, thereby affecting marine habitats. Dry deposition. If the wind blows the acidic chemicals in the air to the areas where the weather is dry, the acidic pollutants slip into dust or smoke and fall to the ground as dry particles. These stick to the ground and other surfaces such as cars, houses, trees, and buildings. Almost 50% of the acidic pollutants in the atmosphere fall back through dry deposition. These acidic pollutants can be washed away from the Earth's surface by rainstorms. Effects of acid rain.
Effect on aquatic environment. Acid rain either falls directly on aquatic bodies or gets run off the forests, roads, and fields to flow into streams, rivers and lakes. Over a period of time, acids get accumulated in the water and lower the overall pH of the water body. The aquatic plants and animals need a particular pH level of about 4.8 to survive. If the pH level falls below that, the conditions become hostile for the survival of aquatic life.
Effect on forests. It makes trees vulnerable to disease, extreme weather, and insects by destroying their leaves, damaging the bark and arresting their growth. Forest damage due to acid rain is most evident in Eastern Europe, especially Germany, Poland, and Switzerland. Effect on soil. Acid rain highly impacts on soil chemistry and biology. It means soil microbes and biological activity as well as soil chemical compositions such as soil pH are damaged or reversed due to the effects of acid rain.
Effect on architecture and buildings. Acid rain on buildings, especially those constructed with limestone, reacts with the minerals and corrode them away. This leaves the building weak and susceptible to decay. Modern buildings, cars, airplanes, steel bridges, and pipes are all affected by acid rain. Irreplaceable damage can be caused to the old heritage buildings.
Acid deposition solutions. Valuable videos, click subscribe button, and join Stills and Moves.